Meet Hamza. He's working with a list of dates and wants to know which month each date belongs to in the calendar. So he starts typing manually. March as 3, February as 2, June as 6. Going down the list one by one. Looks simple at first, but soon he's buried under dozens of dates. Slow, confusing, and full of mistakes. Now let's see how the pro does it, using the month formula. In the next column, he types equals month 1 and A2, and instantly, Excel gives the month number for that date. 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March. Automatically. He drags the formula down, and all dates are converted into their correct month numbers in seconds. Manual work versus formula magic? Formula wins every time. Work smart with Excel. Let formulas do the thinking for you.